Thank you for calling. This is Jody. Can I ask who I'm speaking to?
Hi, this is.
Okay, thank you. And Mr. Can I get you to verify the last four of your Social Security number? Okay, thank you. And again, my name is Jody, and how may I assist you today?
I was just reviewing my credit report, and it seems that I guess it was May of last year. I was marked for having a late payment. I had actually submitted in a payment. The problem was that the escrow had increased, and the payment that I submitted was short by $100. However, the amount that I sent in was enough to cover the principal, so I'm not clear why I'm being charged with a lateness.
All right, let me take a look at the account here. You said it was May of 2010.
Right, it's either March or May. I think it was like an M month.
Yeah, it does look like it's May of 2010. All right, let me go ahead and review over your account for a few moments and find out what's going on with that. Do you mind if I place you on a brief hold and look at that?
Not at all.
Okay, thank you. One moment, Mr.
Your call is important to us. We will be with you momentarily.
Now, when you were informed that there was an increase, did they have you send in additional funds to take care of the May's payment?
Yeah,
What
with the
happened with
following,
that?
with the month following, I sent the additional amount.
Okay, gotcha. All right. Now since the full payment was not received, I do need to just clarify and make sure that I can submit a correction. Since you did make it on time, it just wasn't the full amount. So let me just look into that. It's just going to be one more moment, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Your call is important to us. We will be with you momentarily.
All right, my supervisor's not here. I'm going to go ahead and submit a request for them. I'm going to recommend that they do make that correction. And then what they'll do is they'll send you out a letter stating if they were able to do that or not.
Okay.
At least we can get the ball rolling. You know what I mean? And I don't see why they won't make the correction because you did, in fact, make the payment on time. It was just short of the payment amount because of escrow.
Right.
So let's see. Okay, and I'm going to give you, now, you're trying to, did you just happen to look up your credit report, or is there something that you're needing this done right away for?
Something I need to get done for.
Okay, so I'm going to put a rush on that. Were you trying to pay off the loan? Are you trying to get another loan, or was there a specific reason?
Yeah, I'm trying to get another loan.
Okay. I'm going to give you a request ID number, so if for some reason you don't hear from us within, I would say, the next week or so. Let me see here if it gives me an ETA on it. Because it normally, on our half, it can take us 5 to 7 days, okay, to fix our records. Now, the credit reporting agencies, that's another story. They can take up to 60 days to make their correction on their